Hello friends, so this is a third video of Basic of Finance. So in this we are going to learn that how much is your personal net worth, because before we want to become a wealthy and want to grow our net worth, first we should analyze and understand how much your net worth is. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to assess how much is your net worth. So if you remember, in the previous video we discussed the concept of assets and liabilities. What are assets? What are your liabilities? We have learned that what is asset and what is liability. What you own is basically your asset, and what you want to give or what you need to pay is called, what you owe is your liabilities. Now the question comes, why we want to know our net worth? Why it is useful to know our net worth? Okay, so because it will help us to understand our current financial situation, where we stands. Okay, second thing is, it will give you the reference point. So let's say after 1 year you have progressed, but how much you cannot quantify until unless you know your current points. Okay, so this is a very important in every calculation, in every analysis, that you should be aware of how much is present and then where you have reached, whether it's in positive side or negative side. So you should know your current situation. Okay, so let's move on. So this side we are going to basically list down all the assets. What is the meaning of assets? And we will put some values among them and add the total assets. Okay, so what comes in the under the asset? What is the money which is there in your bank account? You can see value of your investment account. You would have invested somewhere in FD, in mutual funds. So just add up all those numbers. Okay, you take an Excel, add all those numbers. Your car, correct? So what is the car that you have invested? You can take a 10% of yearly depreciation, add that also. Okay, so market value of your home, if you have the home, basically what is the market value of that? Business interest, any kind of business that you are basically running, what is the amount of profit or other things that you are going to get, you can add in this. So any kind of personal property like a jewelry, art, furniture, etc., you may have n number of items. So give some sort of a monetary value to them and create a list, add all of them, and you will have the total asset value in front of you that you have now. Okay, similarly, okay, any kind of cash value also. Similarly for the liabilities. Okay, so what you are going to do for the liabilities, you are going to list down all your liability and add up all of them. So what are your liability? Any kind of mortgage that you have. Okay, you have taken, mortgage is basically you have taken some money from someone. Okay, but taper, like we used to say, but taper. Okay, so like they have given like 2% per month interest rate, like on the face value or on the basically credit. There is no documentation for that. That is. Another is a loan. You have taken a loan from the bank. It can be home loan, it can be car loan, it can be bike loan, it can be student loan, any kind of loan that you have, list down that. Third thing is basically you can list down credit card balance. Nowadays, because of so many companies which are asking you, you can purchase anything on the EMI. Okay, so and then credit card basically, what is the balance, whether it's a 40,000, 50,000, how much? That also is a liability. You are liable to pay to the bank, so you should know how much it is. Okay, now what do? Add all these items. Okay, so you have basically all the assets and all the liabilities. So now what is your net worth? Is simple, asset minus liability. This is your net worth is. If your net worth is coming positive, it's a good sign. Okay, it's a good sign. That means you are in positive. Your assets are more, that means you have the more liquid now in comparison to you are supposed to give to somebody else. Okay, so your asset ideally should be more, liability ideally should be as less as possible. Ideal is zero, no liability, we call debt free. Okay, asset should be as much as. So our financial goal is to increase the asset, reduce the liability. Okay, that's how our net worth is going to increase down the line. But current, so this is our ideal goal, should be positive. Now simple, make it a policy to know your net worth to the penny. Okay, So every single penny should be included in your net worth to understand, okay, where you are. Okay, so like we call in Hindi, rista bhai bhai ka, hisab pai pai ka. Simple. So whenever you are doing any kind of financial calculation, you would like to grow your wealth, ensure you are doing every calculation till penny. Okay, that is basically the key takeaway of this video. Thank you.